Hello student, welcome to online class of English grammar of class 5, chapter number 17. The name of the chapter is perfect tense. The perfect tense is in present form and also in past form. As we have done in the class, what is present perfect tense and what is past perfect tense, in that way today we will do exercise of this book. So open your book, page number 116. Here the table is given. Complete the table. We have to complete the table and also question number A in this video. So to complete this table, first word is given here. We have to fill this table in with the forms of verb, that is present form, past form and past participle form. That is first form of the verb in present, second form of the verb in second table column, and third form of the verb in third column. So here I have shown you how to fill the table. The first column is present form, that is first form of the verb. Second is second, that is past form of the verb, or you can say second form of the verb, which we call it past tense, and past participle, that is third form of the verb. It means हमको इसमें फर्स्ट फॉर्म, सेकेंड फॉर्म और थर्ड फॉर्म वर्ब की तीनों फॉर्म के अकॉर्डिंग फिल करनी है. फर्स्ट वर्ड इज गिवन, इट इज मीट, and we have to write the second form of meat, and third form is already given in the board, that is meat. So the present is meat and the second form of this is met, M-E-T, met. In the second question number 2, the word is see, and we have to fill second form and the third form of this word. So the second form of this word, past form of the word see, is saw, S-A-W, and the third form is the same word is seen, S-E-E-N. Now come to question number 3. The word is feel, and we have to write the second and the third form of the word feel. So feel is first form and the second form will be felt, F-E-L-T, felt, and in the same way the third form is also felt, F-E-L-T. Now question number 4. In the fourth, second verb, second form is given, that is past form is given in the question, that is beat. So we have to write the first form and the third form. So the first form of this will be bite, B-I-T-E, bite, and the third form will be bitten, B-I-T-T-E-N. Now comes to number 5. The word given is flown. The word given as a question is flown, F-L-O-W-N, and we have to write the first form and the second form. The first form of this word and also the second form is this word. So the first form of the word flown will be fly, that is F-L-Y, and the second form is F-L-E-W. F-L-E-W is the second form of this word. Now question number 6. In 6, the word given is grew, G-R-E-W, and we have to write the first form and the third form of this word. So the first form of this word is G-R-O-W, grow, and second is given already, and the third will be grown, G-R-O-W-N. Now question number 7. In 7, the word given is fout, F-O-U-G-S-T, and we have to write the first form and the second form of this word. So the first form of this word will be fight, F-I-G-S-T, and the second is F-O-U-G-S-T, that is fout. It means the second and the third is same. In the same case, the word buy, that is number 8, B-U-Y, buy, is given, and we have to write the second and the third form, and that will be the bought, B-O-U-G-S-T, and the same way the third form will be same, B-O-U-G-S-T, that is bought. Now question number 9, the word is build, 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 and we have to write the second and the third form, and this is also the same word, that is built, built in second form and also in the third form built, built. So in this way the second and the third form of the word build will be built and built. Now the last one, question number 10, stood is given and we have to write the first form and the third form. So the first form of this, the word stood, is stand, stand, and the second is already given and the third will be stood, stood. In this way we have done this table, we have completed the table. Now come to question number A. In question number A, the question is fill in the blank with present perfect form of the verb given in the bracket. In your question book, all the words are given beside the bracket. You have to fill this word to change in its form. The word given beside the bracket, we have to use the same word in the bracket, but we have to change the form of this word in present perfect tense. So it means we have to write this in third form. So let's see. In the first blank, the word is the sponge. The sponge has absorbed all ink from the bottle. So here the word is in the bracket is absorbed, so it will be has absorbed. So in this way, now comes to question number 2. The sentence is Rekha has adjusted. I have written here Rekha has adjusted because the subject is singular, so it will be has, and the word given in the bracket is adjust, so it becomes adjusted in perfect tense. So Rekha has adjusted to living in the new locality. Now in number 3, they have argued. We will write in the blank have argued because our subject is in plural form. They is plural word, so here we have to write have argue. Argue is given in your bracket, so it become argued. ARGUED, 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 that building the dam will not affect the tribunes. In this way we have done number 3. Now come to question number 4. In the beginning it is I. As we know, I is a plural word, so here we have to write have. I have. Calculate word is given in your bracket, so it will become calculated. I have calculated the risks of traveling without money. So in this way, now comes to question number 5. The sentence is the school has, because the school is singular word, so we use has. Challenge word is given in the bracket, so it becomes challenged us for match once again. In this way the sentence will be the school has challenged us for a match once again. Now question number 6th. Mamta is a name of a girl, so it is a singular noun, or you can say singular subject, that's why you have to write here has. Mamta has confessed. She tore the pages. Now number 7 is Vidya has dazzled everyone. Here Vidya is a name of a girl and it is singular noun, so I have used here has, dazzled everyone with her brilliant performance. Okay, now Number 8. The cold drink have lost its fizz. Here the cold drink, this will be plural, so have lost its fizz. Now number 9. The farmers. The word is farmers, so it is a plural word. So in the first blank we will write have. The farmers have agreed. The farmer has agreed dug a well in 2 places, but they haven't found any water. Here in the first blank we will write have, and in the second blank it will be dug, and it is the third form of the word dig. Dig is given in the bracket, so it become dug in past form. Now the last one is we have expanded our business to 6 countries. Here expand word is given in the bracket, so it become expanded, and our subject is since plural, so it will be have. So have expanded is written in the blank. In this way I have done all the exercise. Question number 10, all the exercise of question A and also the table. So I hope you have understood. Thank you.